A look at your national coast-to-coast forecast here on this Thursday. It includes some heavy rain and flood potential in the southeast. This is in association with that severe weather storm and threat that occurred on Tuesday night and early Wednesday across the lower Mississippi Valley and the Gulf Coast. That storm system, though, kind of holding on to places in the eastern seaboard. As we take you to the north, across the northern tier of the nation, there will be some snowfall potential, some minor accumulations. And looking ahead into the middle and end of next week, some colder temperatures will be plowing into the central and eastern U.S. So here's our front, which is kind of just holding on and stealth boundary from parts of the northeast into Florida. Will really crank out that moisture, but then an area of low pressure developing as it works up that front could bring us some snowfall into portions of the northeast, which could lead to some heavier accumulations in some spots. Here's one clipper rolling through the Great Lakes as we take you through Friday into early Saturday. This is just kind of stemming from the overall heavier precipitation that will be found in the Pacific Northwest and the Canadian Rockies, maybe an inch or more. And then there is that heavier precipitation along the international border to the Great Lakes, but then that rainfall of 1 to 2+ inches can't be ruled out from near Florida to the Outer Banks, and then again maybe some snowfall in the northern flank of that as we get into the northeastern U.S. Better chances some shovelable amounts as you get into the Great Lakes over the next few days, and then some heavier amounts in the northern Rockies and the northern Cascades. Looking ahead to next week, as we approach the middle part of February, it will be warmer in the western U.S., but look at how much cooler it is from the Great Lakes and especially down into Florida, which again could bring us some isolated frost and freeze conditions, something that we'll be watching for. That colder air for now kind of just nosing into the northern tier of the nation. We have cooled down rather dramatically since earlier this week in the eastern U.S. Temperatures in D.C. will be at 50 today, 30 in Chicago, 27 in Minneapolis, a little bit of snow there in the morning, 37 in Denver, and cooler in Phoenix, only warming up to 63 today, but at least we'll have some sunshine.